You guys have not been shown the unit circle yet. And do a quick think out loud. It is a denominator of 6. So what type of special right triangle class? 30, 60, 90. So this student recognized my trick. Pi is equal to 180. So 180 divided by 6. You're essentially finding sine at 30 degrees. There's the reference angle. Always across the 30 is a 1. Always across the 60 is radical 3. And always across the 90 is 2. They got sine is y over r. So that would be a 1 over a 2. And the answer is 1/2. Raise your hand if you got 1/2. Let's look at question number 3. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. No. No. I got here 2 questions. Student work. This one has a triangle in quadrant 2. This one has one in quadrant 3. Think about it for 20 seconds. We're going to say the correct one on the count of 3. Top or bottom? 1, 2, 3. So, if I'm not sure, look, I like this one. They have it. 8 pi over 4. This gives you 5 pi over 4. Do you see that? So, you're going to learn this is going to be a 1, this is going to be a 3, this is going to be a 5. This is the correct one. Here's another way of getting that correct answer. Whether you worked in radians or degrees, I said that pi is 180 divided by 4. 5 times 45 gives you how much? What? 5 times 45? 225, yeah? So, 0, 90, 180, 270 is too much, so 45 is correct. Right, this is 225. And then 225 minus 180 gives you 45 degrees. There's the bow tie. Always across a 45. This will be a 1. But remember, this should be a what? Positive or negative? Negative 1. This should be a negative 1. So always across the 45s will be a 1. But remember, it's negative because it's going left. And then radical 2 is correct. You're finding secant. Secant is r over x, which is correct. So r is radical 2. X should be a negative 1, which is correct. And negative radical 2 is your final answer. And don't forget, where do all students go? All. Only tangent and cotangent are positive here. Everything else is negative.